Tower Delta 984 at Shell for 8 left.
Delta 984, London Tower, following an Airbus 2.5 mile final, wind 0 and under 0 at 7, runway 8 left, clear to land.
Yeah, clear to land, Delta 984.
Delta 984 is going around.
Delta 984 inside, climb maintain 4,000, turn left heading 360.
4,000 heading 360, I got a stick shaker, we hit a bird.
Delta 984, what do you need from me, sir?
We're declaring an emergency at this time, and we're flying heading 360. I got to run some checklist and confirm 4,000 for the altitude.
Delta 984, maintain 4,000.
4,000, Delta 984.
Delta 984, if you're able to continue a left turn heading 310, you able to do that?
Yep, we'll go 310, Delta 984.
Delta 984, contact approach 127.25, and that'll give you some time to work that checklist.
2725, switching, thanks for the help.
Delta 984, are you with us?
Hey, Delta 984, just about to check in. Emergency, we're leveling at 4 on a heading 310. Looks like we hit a bird, got some engine lights. We're on some checklist, we'll get back to you.
984, roger. And if you're able, fly heading 260. Can you be able to assistance, let me know.
Alright, turn your head 260, Delta 984.
Delta 984, got some questions for you for the checklist. Just let me know when you got the checklist.
Alright, stand by. Approach Delta 984, what do you got for questions?
Delta 984, fly heading 270. If you need assistance now, just let me know.
Alright, 270, Delta 984.
Delta 984, about how much more time you need?
About 5 minutes, Delta 984.
Delta 984, right. Turn left heading of 180.
Left turn heading 180, Delta 984, thanks.
Delta 984, turn left heading 090.
Alright, Delta 984, left 090. You can start box us around for final.
Delta 984, roger, which runway would you like?
Stick with 8 left, we're set up for that.
Delta 984, roger, continue the left turn all the way around, heading 020 for runway 8 left.
Alright, left turn 020 for 8 left, Delta 984.
Delta 984, do you require any assistance on the ground?
Hey, Delta 984, yeah, we'll like the truck. We'll...
Delta 984. Delta 984, any souls, any hazmat fuel in town?
On board 7.9 pounds of fuel and
Delta 984, turn right heading 070 direct Shell, advise Hartsfield, and what is the exact nature of your emergency?
Right, 070, we have the field, bird strike, captain side, airspeed disagrees, and we lost an engine instrumentation.
Delta 984, roger, your clear visual approach from 8 left.
Clear visual 8 left, Delta 984.
Delta 1293, we're going to change your runway as emergency landing ahead of you, and they might be on the runway for a bit with the truck and stuff. We're going to change you to 9 right. American 763, we're going to change you as well to runway 9er right. Just continue your present heading, I'm going to put you on the north tower. Delta 984, contact tower at Shell, 119.1, good night.
Tower at Shell, 19-1, Delta 984. Tower Delta 984, emergency aircraft, 8 left, Shell.
Delta 984, London Tower, flying an Airbus 1 mile final, wind 0 and under 0 at 6, runway 8 left, clear to land.
8 left, clear to land, Delta 984.
Delta 2144, after I give you a takeoff clearance, I'm going to cross the tug right behind you at the approach end. From 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 8 right, Delta 2144, roger.
Is there a fire chief on yet? Tug 5 London Tower at the approach end, cross from 8 right, hold short over 8 left.
Cross 8 right, short 8 left, and 5.
5. 5 Fire chief, you up?
Atlanta Tower, Fire Chief.
Fire Chief, Atlanta Tower. Next aircraft to land, a 3-mile funnel to runway 8 left is Delta 984, Boeing 737. Airspeed disagreement. Landing runway 8 left, 7,900 pounds of fuel, 182 sold, 0 infants, 0 hazmat.
Fire Chief, runway 8 left, Boeing 737-900 series, Delta 984, 182 souls on board, 0 hazmat, 7,900 pounds of fuel, 0 infants, airspeed disagreement. Fire Chief.
And he is next to land on a 1-mile funnel. Sug 5 at the approach end, cross runway 8 left, join Alpha to the ramp.
Cross 8 left, Alpha to the ramp, Sug 5.
Good job, guys.
Thanks.
Delta 984, you going to be able to exit, or what do you need?
Right exit, Bravo 11. We're good. We're on the ground, Delta 984.
Delta 984, right turn on Bravo. Where are you parking today?
That's a good question. Delta 21, Delta 984.
Delta 984, right turn on Bravo, hold short of Delta.
Bravo short of Delta, Delta 984.
Delta 984, do you require any assistance from the emergency vehicles, or are you good?
I think we're good to taxi back to the gate for Delta 984.
All right, thank you. Fire Chief, you copy. You could secure the equipment. Emergency's terminated.
Securing all equipment, Fire Chief.